For the second and the first prize, can I quickly invite Mr. Chetan Krishnaswamy, Vice President, Public Policy, Amazon, Mr. Sudeep Dalvi, Senior Vice President, Director and Chief Communication Officer, Toyota Kirloskar Motors, and Mr. Guruprasad Mudlapur, Joint Managing Director and CTO, Bosch. We thank you for your support in making VentuRISE happen. Thank you so much for your generous support. Okay, so let's get to the second prize winner. Can we have the announcement, please? Suzhiyam Industrial Machines Private Limited, which is fueling industries through biomass pellets. Congratulations to the Suzhiyam team. If you can come and provide you can come here, Guru, sir. Excellent. Okay, so if I can have the prize winners also stay back on the thing, but I would request you